welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would do a chit chat get ready with me. I haven't done one on my channel in a while, especially since my pregnancy. So I thought it'd be a really good time to kind of go over like my whole first trimester with you guys, my cravings, symptoms, more information just about twins in general, since I've had to learn a lot since I found out that I was pregnant with twins. So yeah, I thought I would kind of share that all with you guys today while getting ready. If you guys want to see more chit chat get ready with me, just leave comments down below letting me know, or give this video a thumbs up. But I am just gonna get started right away because I have a feeling this video is going to be quite long. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen me post right in the background. I got some new dresses for our baby girls. So if you guys would have seen my last video, our reveal video, you guys know we're having baby girls, and oh my god, it's so emotional for me because I honestly thought 100% we were having boys, and I wanted girls so badly. And I just thought, because they ran in Ryan's family and he has two brothers, I'm like, we're totally having boys. But we were both so shocked, and Ryan wanted girls too. So we are so blessed, guys, and so happy. So I will have a haul video because so many of you guys asked me to do one. So I'm gonna do a baby girl haul for you guys. I've been going a little crazy, but I knew that was gonna happen once I found out that I was having girls. And it's so funny because my mom and then my mother-in-law too, which is Ryan's mom, they've both been shopping already for the twins. They keep messaging me saying, oh, I'm shopping for the twins right now. So it's so exciting for everybody, guys, and I know you're all so excited, and I'm just so pumped that I get to experience this journey with you guys. And so many of you guys are telling me your stories and your pregnancy stories, and it's just amazing. So it's just an amazing community that I have here on YouTube, and I'm so happy and grateful for you guys. So let's just get started with this video because I'm gonna get so emotional, and that's just my pregnancy, my hormones working right now. So yeah, hope the lighting is okay. I am just using my vlog camera today just because I have filming equipment everywhere since the gender reveal, so this is a little bit easier for me right now. But I'm gonna go in with the Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. I'm not gonna go into detail about the products because I just want to have more chit chat with you guys about my pregnancy. I thought I'd firstly talk about my first trimester, just since I'll kind of go in order of my pregnancy because right now I'm almost on 20 weeks, which is second trimester. So first trimester was terrible for me, guys, and I think I talked about it a little bit in my pregnancy video story, and it was really, really bad. And I've actually been watching a lot of YouTubers right now that are pregnant. I think it's just the year of babies, and a lot of girls have had really bad pregnancies this year. So I mean, it was nice to know that it wasn't only me going through hell for the first few months. It was really, really hard though. I mean, I definitely had no energy whatsoever at all. And I think you could kind of tell within, I'd say January to March in my videos, where I'm kind of just like, I'm not myself. And it was really hard to hide. Like, it was so, I don't even know how I did videos. A lot of YouTubers too, like, left for a few months and then came back and then announced their pregnancy. So, I mean, I still was doing videos for you guys, which was unbelievably hard for me. But yeah, I mean, it was so rough. And I'm just gonna go in with my foundations right now. I mix warm nude and warm beige. I just picked these up actually, so they're full again, and it's the Peach Perfect foundation by TooFaced. And I mean, I was lucky because I didn't go through like puking or anything like that. I did puke like maybe a few times, but it wasn't that. It was more like my stomach was just like in knots all day long. And I don't know why they call it morning sickness. I had all day sickness, like from the morning, from the time that I woke up until the time I went to bed. It was really, really bad. And it was just, it felt like I was in knots. And you know when you feel like you need to puke but you can't? That's the feeling I had in my stomach. I was, half the time I just went to the toilet. I'm like, please, like, come on, I need to puke. And I couldn't puke. So I mean, that was even harder on me. But I'd say, yeah, for about 3 months, I was in really, really bad shape, and I felt so bad for Ryan. He had to deal with me. But it was, yeah, it was really rough. And my energy levels, like, all I wanted to do was lay on the couch. I didn't want to get up all day long, which seems to be pretty common if you have like a rough pregnancy at first. And now it makes sense because with girls, I hear that you get all the sickness in the earlier weeks. So I got sick right away. And what else? Yeah, my cravings were all over the place. Really strange cravings. Like, I craved macaroni and cheese. I craved cheese all the time. I still crave cheese actually. And fruits, vegetable juice, like really random things, pickles, all the weird things that you see online I craved. Ice cream, craved french fries like crazy, and just like really bad things. And I tried not to eat bad all the time, but it was really hard at first just because those are the only things that seem good to you. I actually kept a pregnancy journal, so I'll show you guys that in like another video because it's downstairs, but I was keeping track of all the days and I was like, holy, I was really sick for like quite a while. I'm so happy that I'm feeling like myself again. And it was like that, like right when I hit second trimester, I felt so much better. I felt like myself. I felt like I could get out of the house and move, and I had energy and I didn't always feel so down. Look up the difference between having twins or a singleton baby, singleton meaning one baby. It's just all the same symptoms, except it says extreme. So it's like extreme morning sickness, extreme cravings, extreme puking, extreme, and I'm like, great, like this is fantastic. I didn't know I was having twins at the time, but I was like, wow, this is pregnancy, this is rough. But once I found out I was having twins, I was like, that makes sense. I actually have everything in my makeup bag still because I leave to Vancouver next Wednesday. So I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna take everything out since we just got back from Maui. I'm just gonna leave it in there. But first trimester, and I think Ryan really knew how hard it was for me, more so because it was such a secret and I couldn't tell you guys, and that was so hard. And also my mom didn't know. A lot of my friends didn't know even. Like I kept it pretty quiet for the first little bit because sure the babies were safe and healthy because there's 2 of them, so I just wanted to make sure everything was okay. So once I got the A-OK and kind of past that miscarriage stage, then I was like, I can finally be open with my pregnancy, which felt amazing, you guys. The second I told you guys, I felt like I was on cloud 9. Like I was so happy, and it was just such a good feeling for you guys to know. And I got so much support from you guys, and it just felt so nice, and I didn't feel like I was like so alone. But thank God I had Ryan. He really helped me for the first little bit, and if there was anything I needed, like he'd go to the store and get it for me, like my weird cravings. So yeah, for the most part, my cravings have been pretty unhealthy, but I've been eating pretty healthy for the most part. And when you're pregnant, like my doctor said, you shouldn't be having any large meals, especially for me because I'm actually growing 4 weeks ahead, and it makes sense now that I'm having girls because they grow quicker than twin boys. So I'm like, when I went in for my 16th week appointment, I was actually showing at 20 weeks. So they are growing fast. I am having really bad growing pains right now, and I'd say they came really strong this weekend, and it's like my hips, like my sides, all the way down to my butt. And the last time I went to the doctor, I had the same pain, so he was showing me these like Kegel exercises to do. You can also look them up on YouTube if you're having those pains. But they're driving me crazy, and they're just very sharp, and they go down like my sides. And anyways, yeah, so I'm just kind of getting that every once in a while, so I had to take a little break as well with filming. But continuing on with the chit chats, and I thought I would hang my balloon up there for some cute photos, and I just wanted to keep it because it's so pretty. And that's actually from the gender reveal. There, you guys can kind of see it a little bit. So you guys know I always use this by Benefit. It's my all-time favorite. I'm in the number 4, and it's just awesome. So I'm gonna go in with this, and I think someone is mowing the lawn. I hope you guys can't hear that in the background. And I'm not gonna talk about all of like the baby essentials because I want to actually leave that for a separate video. I'm gonna do a haul video for you, which is my next one. Like I have a massive haul. I have bags everywhere because we went shopping this weekend, and then also we got a ton of gifts from our gender reveal party, so I want to show you guys those as well. And then I wanted to do a separate video on just like essentials to have throughout pregnancy, what books I've been reading, and I've been reading like a lot of twin books, but I've also been reading like the regular books as well. So I picked up a ton from Chapters, and Ryan's like, you're learning so much. So many changes to your body, so many things you're going through, and it's just really crazy. But yeah, and that's the first thing too, because I didn't know a lot about twins, to be honest. Like when I found out I was pregnant with twins, so that was something that I was super interested in, and especially when we found out they were identical twins, not only fraternal but identical, which is so crazy because there's a 0.45% of having identical twins, which is just nuts to me. And I've never in a million years imagined myself having twins or identical twins, and I just think it's so amazing and so unique, and I cannot wait to see the bond that the girls have together. And yeah, I'm so excited, you guys. Like I think it's just gonna be so amazing seeing their bond and how they grow up together. And Ryan just keeps saying they're gonna be best friends, and I'm like, that's so true. And I mean, I'm sure they'll go through a love-hate relationship as well. That's always very normal with a sibling. but we're excited to experience that. And I mean, it's all gonna be a learning process for us, and I'm sure any new parent goes through so many different things. And I thought I would share with you guys today what my stomach looks like. So I'm gonna insert a photo that I just took, and I just can't even believe how fast they are growing. The last 2 weeks, I've grown so much bigger, and it's just, I have a feeling by next month, I will definitely be big. And my doctor actually said I'll feel kicks within the next few weeks. So I'm really hoping to feel my first kick maybe when I'm in Vancouver. It'd be special for my friends and family to feel a little kick from the girls. And it was funny because Ryan was asking the doctor, he's like, do they kick each other? Like, are they gonna be okay in there? And it's completely normal. Like, I'm sure they will kind of kick each other at some points, but it's normal. So I'm just gonna go in with the Gimme Brow right here just to comb out my brows. And I love this second step that I always do for my brows. Just combs them through so nicely. Second trimester though, it has been amazing. I can't even tell you how nice it is to have my energy back. And also just, I feel 100 times better, you guys. I started filming the second I got that boost of energy. I'm like, yep, 3 videos today. And you guys have seen, I've been like killing it with videos, honestly. I just want to put up a lot of content for you right now and kind of just live through the moments of being pregnant, and so I can look back on it with the girls and kind of show them everything that I went through. But right here, I'm going in with the new Sun Bunny. This is the bronzer, Radiant Duo Tone Bronzer. And I love the new packaging they have. And I'm actually gonna go in with this for my face and eyes, so the Natural Collection by TooFaced. I'm so obsessed with these, you guys. Gorgeous. Like, I brought them to Maui and I wore them every day. I was so obsessed. I am just gonna go in with my new fan brush. This is from the Pink Princess Collection, which is so perfect that I'm having girls because it just, oh, just reminds me of them. Everything reminds me of them. All around my face to warm up my skin. And oh, my mom is messaging me. And I'm actually staying in a hotel next week when I go to Vancouver, just because my sleeps, you guys, have been so uncomfortable. And that was another thing I wanted to talk about, sleeping. And you sleep on your sides so much. Like, I'm so used to sleeping on my sides now. And I have my pregnancy pillow, which I will show you guys, and I'll leave a link down below because it is a must through any pregnancy. Like, I could not live without that pregnancy pillow. I don't even know how I'm gonna go to Vancouver and like not sleep with it, because whenever I don't sleep with it, I have a bad sleep. But yeah, it just really, really helps, and you cuddle up to it really nicely. And I mean, you can obviously put pillows in between your legs, which is what I'll do, but it's just more comfortable. It's a bigger pillow. But yeah, I'm staying in a hotel next week just because I am really uncomfortable, like when I sleep at my mom's, and I want to have like my own bed, and I want to just be comfortable. And I also want to go get a pregnancy massage when I'm there. So I just thought it'd be really nice to kind of, you know, enjoy my time and pamper myself a little bit while I still can, because I can't actually travel after this, you guys. Well, I can for the like May onto a little bit of June, but after like end of June, July, August, I can't travel at all because I'll be too big. And I'm actually going to be going in with this, which is my new favorite palette, you guys. It is so beautiful, and obviously you can tell I've been using it. Right there, they're just natural everyday colors, very wearable, neutral tones, and I love them. And I've been digging into like these shades and then also that in my crease. So I'm just gonna create an entire look using this palette right now. It's my fave. It's funny, once I found out we were having girls, I'm like, that makes so much sense, because I had all of the girl symptoms as far as cravings, so like watermelon, fruity things. And then also with just my stomach, like the way I'm carrying, it was just very round to me. And they say when you have girls, or when you have a girl, that you carry more round. It's just obviously a lot harder to tell when you're having twins because you carry them so low, and obviously your stomach's bigger anyways. So yeah, but once I found out we were having girls, I'm like, that totally made sense. Also, they say when you have girls, they take your beauty. So that's also another thing. I'm like, I have like a lot of acne right now. My skin hasn't been the best. So I'm like, girls, it definitely made sense. So you guys remember this Supernova mascara from when Ryan chose out my makeup? I still love this mascara. I've been using it all the time, and it works so well at lengthening and volumizing, so kudos to Ryan. But yeah, I think I've gone through pretty much all of my symptoms, cravings, first trimester. Now I'm in my second and I'm loving it. As I told you guys, Whatever else there is that I've missed that you guys want to know, leave me a comment down below. You guys know I always comment back to you, and I'd love to kind of go over whatever questions you guys may have, especially more if it's like, I guess, twin related. But yeah, I cannot wait, you guys. Only, what is it, like 4 months left until they come. Oh, and another thing, so twins are always supposed to come out like premature. So I mean, the only worry I have, and another thing too, is identical twins are very high risk. Fraternal twins are high risk as well, but identical even being more so because they share the same sac and placenta. So they pretty much have me on like a million appointments towards the third trimester, just because they always have to make sure that they are both getting the same amount of nutrients. So if there's one that has more nutrients, then there's actually a worry to the one that's having too much nutrients than the one that's not. So they always have to look out for that and making sure that like they're around the same size. And yeah, so I just hope that's all okay. But I hope they don't come out too early, because they actually have to be held at the hospital. So I know a girl that has triplets on our block, and she actually had to keep her triplets at the hospital for 50 something days. So I was like, oh my God, I hope that doesn't happen. But it really depends on when they come out. So I'm not due until like mid to late September. So I have a feeling they'll come out maybe earlier September is what I'm thinking. But I mean, looking at the size they are now and how rapidly they're growing, I don't see them being too small, but I just hope it goes well, you know? And since I went in with like a really natural look today, which is just, this has been my go-to look, and it's just super easy, super natural, and it's not a lot of makeup. And I'm gonna go in with this lip color. It's a little bit more pigmented, and it's the Maybelline Matte Ink Super Stay. So it's this color right here. A little bit more pigmented than my Angel by MAC that I wear all the time. And this one's really nice because it lasts all day, so I don't have to go in like 100 times like I do with Angel. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Just very natural and not too crazy. And it's just been my go-to look. I'm sure I'll do something different for my baby shower in the next few weeks, but every day I've just been doing this light makeup. That's why I haven't been doing many tutorials or anything right now, you guys, just because this has just been my go-to look. I don't want to put on a crazy amount of makeup and do that many tutorials right now, just because my skin, I have to wait till it gets better. But I will have some videos, maybe favorites videos for like my pregnancy, including like makeup, skincare, and essentials. So I probably will do that video for you guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed this chit chat video, and I'm sorry if I had to kind of take breaks or lost my train of thought. It just happens with pregnancy, as I keep saying. And I am so excited, you guys. I have my baby shower next week, or it's next weekend. So of course I will vlog it for you guys, and I'll do a video. I cannot wait to see my friends and family, and I'm just so excited for them to see my bump and to meet the girls. And I'm just so excited for some girl time. Oh, it's just so exciting. And anyways, you guys, yeah, thank you guys so much for all the love and support. It means the world to me. I have just been spending so much time. If I'm not filming or busy with work, I am commenting back to you guys constantly, because it means so much that you guys are there and being so supportive. So I just want to say thank you so much. And I hope you guys enjoyed this chit chat video. If you want to see more, definitely let me know. And yeah, of course, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.